Alright, so this is video number 2 of my aquaponics system. Today I put in an expanded clay medium. It was rinsed before, but I ended up getting a lot of runoff into my system. So I had 2 really fluffy socks that I never used, and there's another one inside this. So I just made a makeshift filtration system, and it's already cleared up pretty good. I have some goldfish in here. I originally put 20 in here, just little itty bitty guys. 8 died within the first, hour of being in the tank, and then another 2 died. Pulled them out this morning. I'd expect there to be so much dirt and stuff still coming off these clay beads, so I'll be surprised if the other 10 survive in this, but if so, then, well, good. Eventually, like I said, I want to do tilapia, but, you know, we'll see on that. I also added this LED light. It's about a foot long, and it has a rubber silicone seal here. It's hooked up to a timer, so it's 12 hours on, 12 hours off. It doesn't get hot or anything like that, but I guess one of the things is you want to make sure that your fish have consistent light throughout the day. Right now I'm running the system wide open, and things seem to be okay. I made a makeshift protection for the bell siphon with cutting a bucket in half and then just drilled a bunch of holes in it. And then with the bell siphon, I was having problems with it not turning off or sucking enough air to actually turn it off. So I added a little black hose. It actually goes down to the level I want the water to shut off when draining. So I probably have about 1 inch, 2 inches left in the grow bed once everything siphons off. So I have tested the pH and the ammonia level first before I even added the fish, and obviously there's no ammonia in, and then the pH level is fine. I guess goldfish like a pH of about 7.5. So when I tested it this morning with the goldfish, I think I was about 7.4, 7.8, and I was just using this system that came from the Aquaponics source, part of this kit. It's actually not that difficult to do. They give you quite a few little, have some chemicals that you can use. You can touch the nitrate and the nitrite, and then there's a high pH, which is the one I use because apparently goldfish like high pH, and then the ammonia. There's 8 drops of the one, and then drop 8 in there, shake it, wait 5 minutes. But anyway, so I'll be running this continuously now to get all the crud out of the system. Cross my fingers too, those little guys end up surviving. But anyway, I've been running the heater on the system too. I have it set like at 75 degrees, and then there's also a little backup thermometer here. So anyway, that's basically it for now. Once I know the outcome of the little fish, then that will kind of determine when I plant my vegetables in here. So hopefully everything's okay, because the vegetables are really in need of transplanting. So I will keep you guys posted on the progress here. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them below.